The train arriving on platform 8, is the...
Give it here. Let me take it from here.
Passengers catching the train through Southbank, Boggo Road and Buranda will notice that there have been platform number changes in relation to Cross River Rail. Southbank Station, your platforms will remain the same, platforms 1 through 3. However, the busway has been renumbered to platforms 4 and 5. Boggo Road has also received platform changes, with platform 1 changing to platform 8. This means platforms 1, 2, 3 and 4 will now be renumbered to 8, 7, 6 and 5, with the busway platforms changing from 5 and 6 to 4 and 3. This means Beenleigh, Gold Coast and Cleveland line trains will now depart from platform 8. Shorncliffe and Northgate trains will depart from platform 7, with Brisbane Airport and Ferny Grove trains departing from platform 6. Buranda Busway Station has been renumbered from platforms 1 and 2 to 3 and 4, meaning this is now fully integrated with Buranda train station, with rail platforms 1 and 2 and busway platforms 3 and 4. These changes have been put on place, awaiting the arrival of Roma Street's platforms 11 and 12 and Boggo Road's 2 new platforms 1 and 2. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe down below, as I have to feed my family.